Hello everybody and welcome to week number 4. Brother O'Shaughnessy here. I'm doing a screen capture because I wanted to share my screen with you guys. I wanted to talk about what's on the slate for this week. So you do have 3 videos. You'll be watching the video 1.5 and 1.6 where we will talk about multiplication and division of integers. So we'll talk about negative numbers and how to multiply and divide them. That should be review for most people. Then we'll talk about section 1.7, which will talk about the different laws of algebra. The laws of algebra. We'll also talk about distribution and factoring. Distribution and factoring. And then we also have one more video, section 1.8. This is the hardest one of the week, so you'll definitely want to spend a little extra time on that one because it talks about negative distribution and also being able to combine like terms. Combine like terms, which takes a little more time and practice to cover. This is the end of chapter 1, which means you will have, well, of course you'll have voice threads, but you'll also have a visual chart due. So be thinking of ways you want to create your visual chart to help you remember the most important things for the test. You'll want to spend a little extra time on the visual charts because you do get them for the final exam, which is pretty sweet. And then once you're done with all that, you will take that celebration of knowledge. You'll take the test, and make sure to do that by Saturday night. Okay, good. So it should be a pretty slammed week. I did want to take a couple extra minutes and talk, kind of summarize what we learned about last week in our voice thread. At the very end of the voice thread, we talked about the compound interest formula. It's that formula that Albert Einstein said is the most powerful formula in the universe. It's A equals P times 1 plus R to the T power. That formula becomes really powerful when you've got lots of time on your side. So if you're a young person, you can really take advantage of the compound interest formula, and it can start making you money in the long run. I wanted to share with you, you guys did it all with a lump sum. Last week we had you do it with $1,000. Now not everybody has $1,000 to start putting away. So I wanted to show you a website that will help you come up with a monthly plan of how much money you should put away per month. To get there, you can simply Google simple savings calculator. I just used the one at bankrate.com. Here it is. You'll see it. This savings calculator is pretty sweet because it allows you to create a monthly deposit. Now, our formula that we used last week doesn't let us do that. It's a little more complicated formula, and we're not going to talk about the formula, but I did want to show you this website to show you what you would need to start putting away now to be able to save up for retirement. Save $1 million. In fact, that's going to be your extra credit question for the day. How much do you have to start putting away now to make $1 million? Well, just use this website. So basically, you need to type in how many years you have before you turn 65. Let's say our goal is to retire by age 65. For example, right now I am 32. So 65 minus 32 is 33 years. I have 33 years to invest. We'd like you to use an annual interest rate of 11%. 11% is the average that mutual funds and stock market have ever got ever since they have been created. So you're going to want to put 11% there, assuming that you're going to invest in a mutual fund. A mutual fund is just a fund that buys a bunch of stocks. So 11%. And then you guys are going to have to guess this number right here. Go ahead and put the initial amount as $1. We're going to say you're not going to start with anything down. You're just going to come up with a monthly plan. How much do you need to put here? Now, for me, I'm guessing it's about, I don't know, $210. Let's see if I'm right. So notice that it'll show you how much you've saved over time, and that builds with interest. Ooh, I didn't quite get there. So I would have to start investing $210 right now for the rest of my life till age 65 if I wanted to get that $800,000. What I want you to do is I want you to get this number to be $1 million or really close to it by finding what you need to do for a monthly deposit. If you text that answer to me, we'll give you some extra credit for this week and hopefully give you some insight on what you need to start doing to make this formula the most powerful formula like Albert Einstein said. Okay, well that's it. You guys have a great week. Good luck on the celebration of knowledge and on the assignments. If you need any help, feel free to text me or stop by office hours. I have office hours on Tuesdays at 1 and Thursdays at 8. Those are Mountain Time. We'll see you.